Hey cuties, and welcome to another video. My name is Kia. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming back. If you're already part of the cutie gang, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you're not, so you can join the cutie gang, because it's the cutie gang way or no way at all. But anyway, I just want to jump on here real quick and tell you guys thank you for all of the new subscribers that I've recently got. I had an influx and gained like 100 plus subscribers overnight, so I'm really grateful for that. Thank you guys so much for liking the shorts and running up the shorts. Also want to thank those of you guys that managed to shop on the Madam Glam 2-day event sale and get 50% off. Girl, you got you some good polish for 50% off, because that's how you're supposed to do it, because we love bargains over here. I love Madam Glam too, and I also was at a point where I couldn't afford to buy no gel polish too, so I definitely would have been there on the sale or whatever, so I could have got a lot more bang for my buck. Okay, I still shop like that though, so that ain't even just when I had no money. I shop like that so I keep my money, you know. But anyway, enough playing. I just want to thank you guys so much and just say how grateful I am for that. And let's run the numbers up. Let's get to 500, and then we're going to get to 1,000, and then we're going to go keep on going past that. But for right now, the goal is 500. That's the first goal. You got to start small, then get big. Okay. But I did want to come in here really quickly and apologize for the lighting, you guys, because I got this new light that goes on my camera, and it's like when I'm filming it looks too bright and off, but when I go back and look at the video, it actually was perfect lighting. So when I'm looking at my viewfinder, I go through the habit of turning it off, turning it down, adjusting it, and you can see it all in the video. So I was going to add a filter, you guys. I think I might have added one in like a section. You'll see the difference if it is. I felt like that helped the colors look more vibrant and brighter because my light got dim, or I turned it down or turned it off in certain sections. And when I went back, I was like, I can't go back and refilm it. So I tried to make it look more clear. So I apologize for those clips where they're not as bright. And also, I apologize for parts where you can't see the actual design because my hand was in the way. That happens a lot. My camera's really good at focusing it, and the problem with that is if I put something else in the way of the nail I'm designing, it's going to focus on the hand that I'm using to design my nails with. Hope that makes sense and not too confusing. But I also want to shout out Madam Glam for this Persian C right here. This is the Persian C color from that spring collection that came out on April 4th. And be prepared for the May collection, y'all, on May 4th. So if y'all thought y'all liked the spring collection, make sure you stay tuned, because y'all really gonna like this doggone summer collection, baby. I am ready. I saw it. I am ready. I can't wait to get it. It's such a fun, bright vacation. Here I come colors, you know? But, you know, it ain't that bright, but it is bright enough for like the girls who want to be simple and fun at the same time. But I'm here for it because I think it's some glitters in here. But just stay tuned and turn on your bell so that you won't miss an upload from me, as well as a post or a shorts video, because lately I've been posting like the launches in the shorts video, and then I'll do a full-on swatch video. I think that's how I'm gonna do it. I want to go live one day, y'all. Let me know in the comments if y'all would actually watch a live though. I'm still kind of like, I'm awkward with social media. Like, I'm a social butterfly in real life to a certain extent though. I just gotta get to know you a bit, but then I'm all yours. But I'm just not a poster like that. So me having a YouTube channel and posting as much as I do kind of takes me out of my comfort zone a little bit. But I have gotten comfortable being uncomfortable. That is a statement I live by in my real world with my job now, and just here, just throwing myself out there because this is what I want. So take that advice if you need it. But I'm going to head out of here, cuties. But once again, thank you so much, and I love you all. And I think I'm probably going to do a shout out video, like shout outs in my videos when I get new subscribers, because when I hit a certain point, I want to do a giveaway. And I got some acrylic that I can't use no more because of the smell. So if you are one of those people who like acrylic and polygel, girl, still subscribe, because I think I'm gonna give some of that stuff away too. Some of the stuff I ain't never even opened to touch. Okay, all right, but that's all. Mwah. See y'all in the next one. Okay, y'all, I lied. Real quick though, you see how I use this little tiny brush to draw my French tips? Honestly, I didn't like them at first, because I like the French tips where they have a deeper looking nail bed. And on longer nails, it's just not that easy to do it with a short brush. But you see my hand look like it was struggling, y'all, because I really was. That's why in all my videos when I do my nail art, especially Frenchies, please get you a 25 mm, which also stands for millimeter nail art brush, the super long one, especially if you're doing long lines on long nails. Even kind of shorter nails, it's just easy to fill the nails in. This short brush was good for something like the vines that I'm drawing, but to do an actual French tip line with, it was a little difficult, but I just want to come here and throw that little tad bit in there because I was struggling. And also, for those of you who may notice, yes, my pinky nail is shorter. That is on purpose because my pinkies are really small, and the longer the nail, the heavier, and it could put too much weight on my pinky and just cause my real nail to split, and it just hurts. So I've learned the hard way. I'm not sacrificing my pinky nails anymore. Just keep those shorter than the rest. But that's why, just in case you were wondering, okay, all right, I'm going for real now. Bye. Mwah.